When it comes to manufacturing, nobody automates faster than Vention. Design automated equipment right in your web browser. Go from concept to production in days, not months. Our drag-and-drop MachineBuilder software allows you to design, program, simulate, and operate your system, all in one seamless environment. Build with the industry's largest ecosystem of modular, plug-and-play parts, engineered for guaranteed compatibility. Or get started with a turnkey system, shipped pre-assembled and ready for operation in a matter of days. Trusted by more than 4,000 customers, big and small worldwide, to boost productivity, cut costs, and drive scalable growth. Automate faster, scale smarter. Future-proof your business with Vention.